This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics so you can rule out simple causes fast. Plug the keyboard into a different USB port or repair the device if it is Bluetooth. This isolates connection faults. Then open a plain text editor and press WASD to see if keys register. If they don't, suspect hardware. If they do, continue. Also check for active game mode, macro software, or custom profiles. Those often remap keys without obvious signs. Once you've isolated that the keyboard hardware works in a text field, address the software layer. Open Device Manager and update or reinstall the keyboard driver, or use the manufacturer's utility for firmware updates. Outdated drivers cause input quirks. Next, confirm the OS keyboard layout matches your expectation. Switch between layouts to rule out swapped keys. Finally, quit overlays, macro tools, or remote desktop clients because they can To finish, validate whether the issue is persistent by testing in safe mode or on another computer. If WASD works elsewhere, the problem is OS or app-specific. If not, perform a keyboard factory reset or swap in a known good keyboard to isolate hardware failure. Make sure to reinstall any affected apps and reboot between steps. If you still can't resolve it, note precise symptoms, when keys fail, and what you've tried. Then contact manufacturer support for replacement or warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.